Disconnected systems are lagging again, but the integrated dashboard shows the issue clearly, adjusting parameters now for optimization. Observe the temperature drift on the left, falling below the microbial kill efficacy, while the process on the right remains controlled. Without RTD testing, the fastest particle cannot be identified. Tracer studies reveal the true minimum residence time. The CCP process like when we check a hazard, and then we evaluate, I'm not sure, and take corrective action if needed.